Hey there! Today we're going to show how to make a cake. The ingredients that we need are a yogurt, 3 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, a cup of oil, baking powder, and lemon zest. Now we're going to explain the steps you should follow if you want to make an amazing sponge cake. First of all, wash your hands. It's important because it's the best way to stop germs from spreading.
Now we take a bowl and we start putting the ingredients. First, we break the eggs and put them into the bowl. Then we add the yogurt. After that, we pour 1 cup of oil, and then also we add 2 cups of sugar and 3 cups of flour.
Finally, we put the baking powder and we zest the lemon.
Once we have all the ingredients in the bowl, we mix them first with a spoon and later with a cake mixer. When you see that it has no lumps, it's ready to be poured into a mold. Tip: if you don't want it to stick on its bottom, you better spread some oil with flour in it.
Preheat the oven for 10 minutes and then put the mass into it for 25 minutes at 200 degrees. And that's all, folks. If you like it, share it with your friends. And if you don't, share with your teachers.